Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about laws of exponents. This math is intended for grade 9. Express the following with no zero or negative exponents. So I have number 1, 21a raised to the negative 6 over 7a raised to negative 2. First thing to do, I need to divide 21 by 7. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. Then I have a negative 6, and then this will be a negative 2. So take note, there will be no negative exponents. So this will be 3. This one will serve as our numerator, or this will be positive 2. And then this one will be down my denominator, so a to the 6. And then when n is greater than m, so this will be 3 over a 6 minus 2. Then this will be 3 over a raised to the 4th power. So that's my answer for number 1. Now for number 2, I need to multiply this one. So negative raised to the negative 2. So this will be negative 2, then to the power of negative 2. And then a times 1, that will be negative 2. And then for my denominator, so this will be 2a raised to the negative 4. Then I need to eliminate the grouping sign, which is the round brackets. So this will be negative 2 raised to negative 2 times a raised to negative 2. Then just copy this one. A 2a negative 4. So this will be negative 1 over 2 raised to the 2nd power. And then including a, this will be a becomes positive 2. And then how about this one? So this will be 2 over a to the positive 4. Then to simplify for number 2, so this will be 1 over negative 2 raised to the 2, a squared. Then this one, I need to change this one, the operation to multiplication, and then upside down of 2 over a to the 4th. So this will be a to the 4th over 2. And then I need to cross cancellation. This will be cross out, and then I have a squared left. And then multiply. 1 times a squared is a squared over, by the way, this is negative 4. This one, negative 4. And then times 2. So this will be negative a squared over 8. So that's the answer for number 2. Now how about number 3? Number 3, so negative 2x squared y cubed, then squared over 8, x raised to negative 2, and then y raised to negative 3. So this will be negative, this will be 2 raised to the 2nd power, and then this will be x to the 4th, and then multiply 3 times 2, this will be y to the 6. How about the denominator? So this will be 8. Since this is negative, so I need to step down. This will be x squared, and then this will be y cubed. To simplify, this will be 4 x to the 4th, y to the 6. Then I need to change the division sign. So multiplication is the replacement of division operation. And then take the upside down of 8 over x squared y cubed. So this will be x squared y cubed over 8. This is divisible by 4. This is 1. Divisible by 4. This is 2. Then combine variable x. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And then y6 plus 3, that will be y raised to the 9th power over 2. So that's the answer for number 3. That's all.